Hi, Azam here from ORBTRON. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the MK220 space-saving wireless keyboard and mouse combo from Logitech, and I'm gonna have a look how it looks like and what comes with the combo. Okay, as you can see the box here, it's very nice looking box, very long. And here's the look of the mouse, the keyboard, and here's the mouse. And it says here the battery for the keyboard can last up to 24 months, and for the mouse up to 5 months. That's a very long time, because Logitech has a power saving mode, that kind of thing, technology that can make the battery last longer, very long. Okay, at the bottom of it, the side, I'm sorry, so this is what you get in the box: a keyboard, the mouse, the dongle, the receiver, 2 AAA battery and 2 AA battery, and documentations. So he says here's what you need. You can see Windows 10, ORBTRON, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Chrome OS, Linux kernel 2.6 plus, and USB ports. So some of the warranty, it says here it's compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 8. Down at the bottom right, on the left here, say compatible Windows, Chrome OS, Linux. Okay, it says here's all the features: compact, space-saving keyboard, low-profile keyboard features, standard, that kind of thing, comfortable mouse, Logitech Advanced 2.4 GHz wireless, fast data transmission, no delay or dropouts, and a 10-meter 30 feet wireless range. Battery that lasts, this is what I say just now: 24 months for the keyboard and 5 months for the mouse battery life, plus auto sleep and on-off switch. Okay, here are the other features: speed resistant design, durable keys, okay, adjustable tip legs, plug and play USB connection, no software installation, full size mouse, HD optical tracking, plug and play, no software installation. Alright, and for the other side, just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up with my trusty flip knife. Yeah, right. Cutting. This is a very sharp knife. Okay, I think it's open this way, right? There's the keyboard. Where's the mouse? Where's the mouse? Oops. Upside down. Documentation. That's about it. That's this side. Important safety, warranty information, setup guide. Okay, and that's all. Mouse, this mouse. Batteries in here, I think it's quite heavy. Oh, that's the battery. Right, so battery, receiver, it's a normal size receiver. Okay, usually that I have is a nano type, very small. It's quite a normal size. Okay, mouse, here's the keyboard. The key is quite soft. The travel is quite okay. Sound a bit like a mushy sound. For the arrow button, it's a bit compact compared to the normal full keyboard, right? So slide it down to put the battery. This one, the keyboard uses 2 AAA battery, okay, and the mouse uses 2 AA battery, right? Okay. Bring it up. This one don't have any on and off button. It's automatically turn on and off. Sorry, I didn't read the manual, so I don't know how it works. Okay, that's the keyboard. By the way, it uses only one single receiver for both keyboard and mouse, so they call it combo. This one doesn't have an on switch as well, on button, so I think you just plug the dongle and the receiver to a PC and it just works. Okay, the mouse, it has a very good design. Size is not too small, just nice for an average person to use. Okay, the clicking sound, it's a bit normal. The scroll wheels, it's a bit rough, but it depends on your preferences, whether you like a bit rough kind of sound or feeling. These are hard roll kind of. It's not a soft type of roller like some other mouse. Okay, and as for the keyboard, very soft kind of feeling, squishy bit. Not that loud kind of sound. I think that's good for some people who likes a very quiet environment. There's a stand to it as well. And that's about it. Here's the list of pros and cons for the MK220 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. So one of the pros for this combo is the use of only one receiver or dongle. So you don't need to stuff your USB port with 2 dongles because you need to use the keyboard and mouse. For this combo, you just need to use only one USB port, and both wireless keyboard and mouse can be connected to it. Another one is a compact design. It's quite compact compared to all the full-size keyboard, and it's quite portable to me. It's quite light, and you can take it anywhere. For some people who like to bring a full-size keyboard with them. Okay, another one is a long battery life. Even though it doesn't have a switch for on and off for both keyboard and mouse, it has a very long battery life. For example, the mouse can last up to 5 months for 2 AA battery, and as for the keyboard, up to 24 months for 2 AAA battery. So for me, that is quite long, and it saves a lot of money in terms of buy new batteries. Okay, another one is the combo itself is value for money. It's not that expensive, costs around less than 100 ringgit for this combo, so I think it's a very good deal. And as for the cons, the dongle is actually quite bulky. It's quite big, and when you put it in the USB port, must be careful not to hit the dongle
because it's quite I can say quite big. So if you use a notebook, you need to take it out every time you use you want to pack your notebook into the bag or something like that, because you might damage. Okay, as and for some people the keyboard layout is too compact. It's maybe the keys for the arrows is too compact, so it's not suitable for them, but to me it's okay. So I think that's all I can take off for the pros and cons.
If you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you have any comment or maybe you have any other useful information, you can share it with me. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Do come back again, and please subscribe if you like my channel.